6:12 right now. Concerns this morning about Fiesta and the fentanyl crisis.
Historically, emergency officials say San Antonio's largest party produces alcohol-related incidents like accidents, falls, maybe alcohol poisoning, sometimes fights.
And you can add fentanyl to the mix, says the crowds from Fiesta present a chance for Mexican cartels to cash in. Against 5's Marvin Hurst explains.
On the morning of the first day of Fiesta,
possibly overdosed, injected fentanyl. He's going to be unresponsive.
Emergency crews respond to a crisis.
Near the fireworks stand at 11440 Petrenko Road.
Before sunrise,
24-year-old male overdose from a possible fentanyl.
a victim of drugs tries to fight off sunset. His friend at the scene tells us the man took ice, possibly laced with fentanyl.
Some people use it to lessen some of the effects of the ice or the methamphetamine. That would be the fentanyl or the heroin piece. And then the meth kind of counteracts some of the effects of the heroin or fentanyl.
Dr. Ralph Riviello is the director of emergency medicine at University Hospital.
2-day recovery wasn't working. When you get large crowds of people together and they're celebrating and having a good time, you know, drugs and alcohol for some are part of that celebration. You probably don't need both.
He says a surge of patients suffering from fentanyl overdoses has not been a unique factor for the hospital yet.
We started CPR.
But Fiesta presents an opportunity he thinks emergency responders can handle.
Fentanyl is the most deadly drug that the United States has ever dealt with.
Brian O'Neill is a special agent group supervisor with the Drug Enforcement Administration.
These drug traffickers, all they're here to do is make money.
He says there's more likelihood than evidence, at least right now, that Mexican cartels are selling fake pills and other drugs with fentanyl to people at Fiesta. But he says the DEA is trying to track it down.
We're always combating drug traffickers in San Antonio, 100% of the time.
The concern is risk of death.
The supply chain isn't always pure. The supply chain isn't always honest about what you're getting.
Attached to fentanyl.
It's all about money. It's all about making more money. And if you can lace a product with fentanyl, it decreases your cost of the production of whatever drug it may be.
Most users don't even know they're ingesting the drug until it's too late.
He's not responding.
So if there's not a call to 911 or Narcan available,
He's not responding, not breathing.
the party can end before you know it. The Houston division of the DEA, which covers San Antonio, seized 765,000 fake pills last year. Agents also tracked down 230 pounds of powdered fentanyl. Combined, the DEA says that they took 7 million lethal doses off of the street. As for the man in our story, Bexar County deputies say that he did leave the scene responsive. That's some good news. We reached out to the county fire district on the scene, but they did not respond to our request to find out his condition. Barry, Sarah.
All right, Marvin, thank you. Meanwhile,